Hello, everybody. Today we are going to discuss how to connect ZOHO with Drop Cowboy Ringless voicemail. First, you're going to make your way to Zapier. Once you get to Zapier, you're going to search ZOHO. From here, you're going to search the pairing app, which is always going to be Drop Cowboy. Once you get the trigger, which is ZOHO, and the action step, which is Drop Cowboy, you're going to choose your options. From here, there's always going to be a trigger step that happens within ZOHO, which will then send a ringless voicemail or a text message from Drop Cowboy. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose that option. They provide quite a bit of options here in ZOHO. So you're going to choose the option that fits your needs, which will then trigger a ringless voicemail within Drop Cowboy. So for instance, if you move one lead from one bucket to cold lead follow-up, you might trigger a, hey, I haven't spoken to you in quite a bit. I'm still seeing if you're interested. Give me a call back voicemail. Thank you and have a great day.